Hi, my name is Monte. I'm shooting this video because 2 weeks before I started Laura's program, I was admitted to the hospital because I had severe flaking of the skin. My lymphatic system was very swollen. Doctors felt that I may have lymphoma. And shortly after starting with Laura's program, I began to improve, and my lymphatic system has been completely normal since I began Laura's program. I'm now able to enjoy my relationship with my friends and family and just enjoy life. So I'm so happy that I found Laura. I highly recommend Laura Frontiero because of her approach to the problem. Lots of encouragement from people that are in the program in the group setting, and it was the right approach for me. My favorite Laura saying is, "Slow wins the race." My life before working with BioRadiant Health and Laura consisted of a chronic eczema condition I've had for my whole life. I had tried everything, dermatologists for decades. Nothing was seeming to help. And I stumbled across Laura's name on a advertisement on the internet and began working with her, and I'm seeing some real progress. What I'm able to do now that I wasn't able to do before was sleep. There were times I'd go 2 or 3 days without getting any sleep, so this was becoming a major issue, and the program helped me with that. I like Laura's approach, where she concentrates on opening up the pathways of elimination first before you start really addressing any gut issues. I'm an engineer, so that seemed to make a lot of sense to me. My ambition today is to just enjoy my relationships with my family and friends. I was so isolated with my eczema being so poor, and it's allowed me to live life.